This is how to get a USA or a USD account with Chipper Cash app. So the first step is to create an account with Chipper Cash and of course verify your account. I already have a video on how you can register on Chipper Cash, but it's very straightforward. Just download the app, register, and get verified. So once you get verified, you are going to get a Nigerian bank account, but here you can equally get a USD bank account. This means if you want to receive dollars, you can now use Chipper Cash to do this. So for you to claim this account, you want to come here, click on that, and then you see this USD here. And before you claim it, I want to show you what it can do. And the first thing here is that you can get account details, which means you get an account, a bank account from the United States. This also means that you can use this to receive money from, let's say, Amazon, from, let's say, Google, and the rest of them. So you can equally use it as you can equally top it up using USDT and basically cryptocurrency. This is a very important feature because some other banks or some other apps who give you USA address, they don't offer this. All right. So again, you can top it up using PayPal or PayPal USD. You can top it up using Cash App, and you can top it up using the Lightning Network. All right. So these are really important features, but the issue I have with this is that if you come here to cash out, you may not be able to cash it out as US dollars. You will have to convert it back to Naira before you can cash it out. So this is in line with the recent CBN or government policies and the rest. So once you receive the dollar, they will help you convert it to Naira and send it to your Naira account. So if you don't want to be converting it, then this account is not going to be helpful to you. If you are ready to claim this account, again, like I said, you can convert the money, you can convert your USD to Naira and withdraw it. And that's the only way you can now withdraw it. Initially, they could allow you withdraw it to, I think, a Zenith Bank account, but now they don't allow you anymore. So if you want to claim the account, you come here, you click on claim USD account. And again, it's going to give you an overview, a summary of what the account will do for you, which is you can use it to receive international payments from foreign clients. Let's say you are a content creator, you are a freelancer. It's convenient, it's quick, and it says reduced fees. But in all honesty, these fees are not reduced, and these fees are quite excessive, to be very honest, because first they charge you 1.2% for the deposit that you get, which is a lot, and they equally charge you $1.50 maintenance fee monthly. Again, that is a lot, and they charge you 5,000 Naira to create this account. You see, I personally wouldn't create this account because I already have multiple USD accounts, but if you like Chipper Cash a lot and you want to give them the money, then you can now click on create the account. But I do not have up to 5,000 Naira, so I may not be able to create it. But if you do, you can just click on continue, and then it's going to ask you to do some kind of verification. Again, as you can see, I've done all my other verification, but they want to know why I need a USD bank account. I can say I'm a freelancer, I'm a content creator. So I am largely a content creator, so I can use this one. And then they will ask you for your platforms link. So in my case, I will put maybe my YouTube channel, my YouTube name, and everything. So I can put my proof of earning, which is I'll go and get my YouTube earning dashboard, and then I can upload it here, and then I can agree to the terms of this account. And then I can click on create. So if I have the money, they will debit me, and after some time, they will now create this account. So let's say you were a freelancer, it's the same thing. They are going to ask you where you freelance. So you can say, let's say you want to receive from, let's say, Upwork. You can select Upwork, and then you can equally again upload your proof of earning, or you can select how much you earn on average. So let's say I earn between $500 to $1,000. Then you equally need to get them a dashboard of your Upwork earning, and you upload it right here, and then you click on continue. Again, once they approve it, you will get your USD bank account. But like I said, for me, I do not need this account because the fees are high and because I already have other bank accounts I use. But if you want to use this is how you get it. So after you get it, you now be able to see your USD bank account. So let me just use my Naira to show you how it would be. So once you have it, if you come to add cash, you'll be able to see your USD bank information right here. So this is how to get USD account from Chipper Cash app. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.